Do-It-Myself Garage. I'm going to get this intro in real quick before the music gets too loud. As you saw by the sign, we're down here at Two Rivers Auto Repair. Got a car show going on and fundraiser, and they're giving away a car today. So let's walk around and take a look at the cars. right, so we're going to call this a day here. Down at Two Rivers Repair, Auto and Diesel here in Hastings, Minnesota. Mid-Minnesota Motorheads is here doing fundraising for Patriot assistance dogs. That's one of the veterans with his dog right there. Just a real great cause. They help veterans get dogs that can help them with different things that they're dealing with. So great turnout for the car show today. And you guys take care. We'll see you in the next video. And Scooby-Doo and I say goodbye. See you next time. Bye.